The Tag Power Pack, 36-month wealth plan for everyday investors by David Tossie. Tossie Advisory Group. Welcome to the Tossie Advisory Group, where we teach everyday people how to turn small moves into legacy wealth. If you've ever felt like the stock market is too complicated, too expensive, or too risky, this video is for you. Today, I'm introducing you to the Tag Power Pack, a 36-month wealth plan designed to help you grow, protect, and profit no matter what the market does. Most traders lose money not because they're unlucky, but because they don't have a system. At TAG, we do it differently. We build portfolios like teams, with each stock playing a role. Your offensive stock scores the big gains. Your defensive stock protects the downside. Your ETF builds steady growth. And your dividend stock pays you to wait. This is the TAG Power Pack method. 4 simple moves that can transform your entire financial future. Let's start with the offensive stock. This is your growth engine, your market playmaker. It's aggressive, innovative, and built for expansion. Think of companies like Nvidia or Sophie, leaders in innovation, expanding revenue, and capturing attention. Here's how to use it the TAG way. Invest 25% of your monthly contribution here. Buy only when the RSI is below 60 and the company shows earnings momentum. Set a 7 to 10% stop loss and take profits between 15 and 25%. Your offensive stock is about controlled aggression, not gambling. It's the shot maker of your portfolio. Next, your defensive stock, your financial seatbelt. This stock protects you when the economy shakes. These are companies that stay strong in all seasons, like Johnson & Johnson or Procter & Gamble. No matter what's happening in the world, people still need soap, medicine, and toothpaste. This is what we call the stability zone. Here's how you manage it. Invest 25% of your monthly contribution. Look for companies with consistent 5-year earnings growth and a dividend yield above 2%. Hold this position for the full 36 months. Your defensive stock doesn't sprint, it endures. It gives your portfolio stability when everything else is uncertain. Now let's talk about your foundation, the ETF. The ETF is like your all-weather friend, steady, balanced, and dependable. We love ETFs like SCHD for dividend growth and SCHG for long-term capital appreciation. Here's how to manage your ETF like a pro. Invest 30% of your monthly contribution. Buy the dip, not the hype. Reinvest every dividend. Over time, your ETF becomes your sleep well at night investment, growing quietly while others panic.
Finally, the dividend stock, your paycheck while you wait.
This is proof that wealth is about patience, not perfection. We like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, and Realty Income, companies that have been increasing dividends for decades. Here's your game plan. Invest 20% of your monthly contribution. Reinvest dividends for the first 24 months. After that, you can take the payouts or keep reinvesting for compounding growth. This is where your money starts working for you, quietly, consistently, automatically. Now let's put it all together. The TAG Power Pack 36-month wealth plan. Each month you invest 25% in an offensive stock, 25% in a defensive stock, 30% in an ETF, and 20% in a dividend stock. Track your growth every 90 days, not every 90 minutes. Use your TAG SIP journal or premium dashboard to record your entry price, RSI, VWAP, stop loss, exit target, and lessons learned. After 36 months, you'll have a balanced, income-producing portfolio and real confidence as an investor. Family, remember, wealth is not built overnight. It's built in seasons, through patience, planning, and consistency. If this message adds value to your journey, like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to take control of their financial future. Join the TAG Premium Lounge for exclusive stock alerts, pre-market Sunday sessions, and AI-powered investing tools built for people just like you. Use your 7-day free trial code, WMCIS0925. Visit tossieadvisorygroup.com. I'm David Tossie, and this is the TAG Power Pack, 36-month wealth plan. Your blueprint to move from surviving to investing, one smart, disciplined decision at a time.